Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to see the delivery address for an Uber Eats order, guys. So whether you're a customer or a delivery driver, it's important to know exactly where your food is headed. So let's dive straight in. So for Uber Eats customers, what you want to do, guys, is first, you just want to open the Uber Eats app, right? Open up the Uber Eats app and just start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. And then what you want to do is go to orders, right? You want to actually tap on the orders icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you will find details, guys, of your recent and past orders, okay? So what you want to do, guys, is you want to just select the current order. So if you're actually checking for an order that's in progress, you can just tap on the order section to actually see the delivery details. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to scroll down the order details, and you're going to see the delivery address listed right there, guys, right? And you can double check to make sure it's the correct address or updated if needed by selecting the address and making any adjustment, guys. Okay, it's literally that easy and simple. So for Uber Eats delivery drivers, what you can do is just open the Uber Eats app, right? So make sure that you're using the Uber driver app to view the delivery details. Don't use the normal app. Make sure it is the driver app, okay? Then you want to accept an order. So once you have accepted a delivery, the app will show you the restaurant's pickup address, and after picking up the order, you'll be able to see the customer delivery address, guys. Then, guys, what you want to do is tap on navigate. So to get the customer and address, just tap on the navigation to in the app, which will open up your preferred map app to guide you directly to their location. Then, guys, all you want to do is double check the address in detail. So if you need to actually confirm the address, you can just go back to the Uber Eats driver app and check if the order details section to see the exact address, guys. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now you know how to view the delivery address, whether you're a customer or you're a delivery driver of Uber Eats, guys. And if this video was helpful, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys, for more Uber Eats.